Hey there, want to get rid of that belly fat and feel awesome? Well, you're in the right place. This video is all about helping you get fit fast. I'll show you 5 super cool exercises that'll melt away that fat. So, are you excited? Let's go. Burpees are one of the top exercises for burning fat because they involve your entire body and raise your heart rate quickly. Here's how you do them. Start standing, then drop into a squat with your hands on the ground. Kick your feet back to a plank position, do a push-up, then jump back into the squat and leap up with arms overhead. Burpees burn around 10 calories per minute according to fitness experts. They not only burn fat, but also improve your strength, endurance, and coordination. Researchers say that high-intensity interval training, HIIT, exercises like burpees can significantly increase your metabolic rate for hours after exercise, making them extremely effective for weight loss. Incorporating burpees regularly into your workouts can lead to impressive fat loss and muscle gain without any equipment. High knees are a simple, no-equipment exercise that provides excellent cardiovascular benefits and helps burn calories quickly. Run in place while lifting your knees as high as possible, ideally to hip height. Pump your arms to increase intensity. This exercise helps in engaging your core and improves the overall tone of your legs and abs. Studies have shown that exercises like high knees, which elevate your heart rate, can boost your basal metabolic rate, BMR, meaning you continue to burn calories long after your workout has ended. High knees can burn more than 100 calories in just 10 minutes, making them a powerful tool for fat loss and cardiovascular health. Jumping jacks are a full-body workout that increases your heart rate, promoting weight loss and improving cardiovascular health. Stand with your legs together and arms at your sides, then jump while raising your arms and separating your legs. Return to the original position and repeat. This exercise is fantastic for burning fat because it involves large muscle groups, which increases calorie expenditure. According to health experts, performing jumping jacks can burn an average of 100 calories in 10 minutes. Regularly doing this exercise can enhance agility, coordination, and stamina. Jumping jacks are also beneficial for stimulating muscle activity and can be easily included in a dynamic warm-up or a high-intensity interval training routine. Running is one of the most popular forms of cardiovascular exercise, accessible to almost anyone anywhere. It involves propelling your body forward in a continuous motion, using a natural gait to move at various speeds. Whether you jog at a gentle pace or sprint, running can be tailored to all fitness levels. Fat-burning benefits. Running is incredibly effective for burning calories and shedding fat. It raises your heart rate, increasing the amount of oxygen your body consumes and leading to high caloric expenditure. The afterburn effect, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC, means your body continues to burn calories long after your run has ended. Studies have shown that regular running improves cardiovascular fitness, reduces the risk of chronic diseases, and boosts mood and mental health due to the release of endorphins, often referred to as the runner's high. Plank jacks combine the core strengthening benefits of a plank with the cardiovascular benefits of jumping jacks. This exercise not only burns calories quickly, but also targets multiple muscle groups, particularly the core, arms, and legs. Plank jacks maintain a constant engagement of the abdominal muscles, increasing stability and burning abdominal fat. Start in a plank position with your feet together. Jump your legs out to the sides like you would do a jumping jack, without letting your hips sag. Jump them back together and repeat. Plank jacks can elevate your metabolic rate and have been shown to burn calories more efficiently than traditional planks because of the added movement. These exercises are highly effective for burning fat and can be incorporated into a short, intense workout session, ideal for those who are pressed for time but are committed to staying fit. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you're doing great today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the other awesome content on my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips. See you in the next video where we'll track the progress.